In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Yahoo Mail to Outlook. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is open Outlook, and then you want to add the account. So currently, I don't have any accounts added. That's why, of course, I can go from the start page. But if you are inside Outlook already, I'll show you at the end where you can actually click to be able to basically add a new one, okay? So if you're in here, it's going to look like this. You can simply type in your Yahoo Mail. So for me, it's going to be instanthowto@yahoo.com like this, and you want to click on continue. Then you want to click on continue again, and as you can see, it's automatically going to recognize this is Yahoo, so it's going to take you to a separate page. So in my case, this is my login page over here for Yahoo. I can just click on next over here, and it's going to require a password as well, which I do have saved, or apparently not, so I'm just going to have to type it in over here, and I'm going to click on next. Now when you do this, it's going to basically require you to allow connection, and then you can click on skip or allow over here. You have to agree to their terms over here if you actually do agree with them, and then click on agree over here. And as you can see, it's going to say open Outlook. Just hit this button. It's going to take you directly into Outlook and then sign you into your Yahoo Mail, okay, just like this. Now as you can see, if you want it on your phone as well, you can scan your QR code, which is going to get generated over here. But that's essentially how to add Yahoo Mail. Now if you actually want to do this whenever you have a email connected already and you are inside your account already, I'll show you how to do that as well once we get set up. There we go. So what you have to do is basically go to the top left over here, and as you can see, there's going to be a bunch of things, and down here you want to go to mail, and inside mail you can just go to add account at the bottom, and there we go. From here you can go ahead and type in your Yahoo, and the process from on here is going to be the same as, of course, if you were going from the beginning where I showed you how to set it up. That's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.